Build an AI model today and change your future. Want to change your future with AI? Build an AI model today. Stay tuned for a special surprise worth $300 at the end. Welcome to TechEnvisionAI. If you're excited about the potential of AI and want to create your own models, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries and shaping the future. Today we'll guide you through building your very own AI model step by step. Let's dive in. Alright, so you want to build an AI model. The first thing you need to wrap your head around is data. And I mean a lot of data. Think of it like this. Data is the fuel that powers your AI engine. The more high-quality data you feed it, the better your model will perform. AI models learn by identifying patterns and relationships within the data. It's like teaching a computer to see the connections between things without explicitly programming every single rule. The beauty of AI is that it can handle massive amounts of data, way more than any human ever could. But remember, just like you wouldn't put low-grade fuel in a high-performance car, you don't want to train your AI model on garbage data. The quality of your data directly impacts the quality of your results. Okay, so we've established that data is king. Now, where do you find this royal treasure trove of information? Well, it depends on the problem you're trying to solve. Let's say you want to build an AI model to predict customer churn. Your goldmine would be your own customer data. No worries, there are tons of publicly available datasets you can tap into. Websites like Kaggle are incredible resources for this. Another avenue is web scraping, but always respect website terms of service and avoid anything unethical or illegal. Now, let's talk about data cleaning. It's not the most glamorous part of building an AI model, but trust me, it's crucial. Raw data is often messy, riddled with errors, inconsistencies, and missing values. It's like a diamond in the rough, full of potential, but needing some serious polishing before it can shine. That's where data cleaning comes in. You need to remove duplicates, handle missing values, and ensure consistency across the board. This might involve standardizing formats, correcting typos, or even converting data types. Fortunately, there are tools to make this process less painful. Python's Pandas library, which you can explore further at www.pandas.pydata.org, is a lifesaver for data manipulation and cleaning. Remember, the quality of your data directly impacts the performance of your AI model. Chapter 4. Choosing the right model. With your data prepped and ready, it's time for the main event, choosing the right AI model. Think of this as picking the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, would you? There are tons of machine learning algorithms out there, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The trick is to choose one that aligns with your goals and the type of data you have. Let's say you're trying to predict a continuous value, like the price of a stock or the temperature for tomorrow. In this case, you might opt for a regression algorithm like linear regression. But if you're dealing with classification like identifying spam emails or categorizing images, you'll need a different set of tools. Decision trees, support vector machines, and neural networks are all popular choices for classification tasks. Chapter 5. Training the model. Alright, we've got our data, we've chosen our model, now it's time to train our AI. Think of this like coaching an athlete for the big game. In the world of AI, training involves feeding your model with data and letting it learn from it. We don't want our AI to simply memorize the data, we want it to generalize and make accurate predictions on unseen data. That's where the magic of splitting your data comes in. We divide our data set into two parts, a training set and a testing set. The training set is used to train our model. The testing set is like the final exam. For this training process, tools like TensorFlow, found at www.tensorflow.org, and PyTorch, which you can find at www.pytorch.org, are your best friends. Remember, training an AI model is an iterative process. So you've trained your AI model. Now the question is, how do you know if it's actually any good? Well, it's time to put it to the test and evaluate its performance. Just like in school, we need metrics to measure how well our model is doing. But instead of letter grades, we use things like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. For regression tasks, we often use metrics like mean squared error, MSE, or root mean squared error, RMS. On the other hand, for classification tasks, we use metrics like precision and recall. It's important to choose the right evaluation metrics based on the specific problem you're trying to solve. By constantly monitoring its performance and making adjustments as needed, you can ensure that your AI model continues to learn and improve over time. Alright, your AI model is trained, tested, and ready to take on the world. But how do you actually get it into the hands of users? That's where deployment comes in. Think of this as launching your AI model into the real world, like sending a rocket into space. There are plenty of platforms and tools available to simplify this process, even if you're not a seasoned developer. One option is to create a web application that allows users to interact with your model directly. Frameworks like Flask or Django for Python make it relatively straightforward to build web apps that can handle user input and display your model's predictions. Another approach is to expose your model through an API, Application Programming Interface. Platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Heroku provide easy ways to deploy and manage your APIs. Once you've deployed your model, it's important to monitor its performance and make updates as needed. Now let's talk about the fun part: real-world applications of AI. This is where things get really exciting. Imagine a world where AI is an integral part of our daily lives. That future is already here. AI is transforming industries and revolutionizing our lives. These are just a few examples of AI solving real-world problems. Now, as promised, here's the special surprise. For those who watch till the end, you can claim $300 worth of 5 financial calculators for free. Just subscribe, send a screenshot to 91132111787 on WhatsApp, and they're yours. But that's not all. If you're looking to automate your stock market trades without coding, check out our How to Automate Stock Market Trades Without Coding course. It's worth $100, but for a limited time it's available for only $1.20. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Click the link below to enroll now. And remember, subscribing to TechEnvisionAI means you're always up to date with the latest in AI and technology. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment with your thoughts on building AI models. We'd love to hear from you.